Hey guys, today we're diving into the BigBig One Blitz 2 controller. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Comes with instructions. Here's the USB dongle. Comes with a USB-C cable. It comes with extra sticks and a D-pad as well. And then here is the controller itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. This controller is redefining precision, speed, and customization when it comes to gaming. So whether you're a competitive FPS player or a casual cozy gamer, this might be your new secret weapon. What sets this controller apart from the rest is it has a 2000 Hz polling rate, making it the world's first controller to hit that mark. So you get ultra fast input response without any lag, making sure every button press and every movement is registered with lightning speed. And speaking of movement, it also features a gyroscope with a 1000 Hz polling rate, making motion controls in FPS games feel buttery smooth, almost like using a joystick. And if you've ever struggled with gyro aiming, this controller might change your mind. When it comes to the joysticks, they are made with TMR technology, which is like Hall Effect 2.0, offering 4 to 6 times the precision of traditional Hall sensors. Combined with the controller's joystick enhancement algorithm 3.0, you always get pinpoint accuracy that's built to last. It features a total of 16 main buttons that are all fully mechanical. That means no mushy presses and only tactile response times. So whether you're spamming combos or timing a perfect parry, these buttons won't let you down. It's also been fully upgraded with a large rubber grip, making it more comfortable, secure, and built for long sessions. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or just vibing with friends, the feel of it in your hands is premium. It also supports PC, Switch, iOS, and Android, so you're covered no matter where you game. And with the free mobile app and PC software, you can customize everything from button mapping, stick sensitivity, macros, and more. So you can tweak your setup on the fly wherever you are. So if you're chasing elite level performance, precision, and customization, this controller delivers. And so yeah, definitely check out the BigBig One controller today if you are looking to up your game. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.